Welcome back to Spa Kingdom. So what we're going to talk about today is the mineral system. So this is going to be what you initially got if you purchased a spa here at Spa Kingdom. If you didn't purchase a spa here at Spa Kingdom, let us introduce you to the absolute best way to sanitize your spa. These little guys right here, it's called a Nature 2 mineral stick. This is going to be what you want to have in your spa all the time, because this uses a few ionic minerals, some silver, copper, a few other things to do the bulk of the sanitizing in your spa. That's why here at Spa Kingdom we send it out with every single one of our hot tubs. So what you're going to do, these guys are good for about 4 months at a time. So what you want to do when you first fill up your hot tub is you're going to pull this guy out of the package, this little yellow guy right here. What you're going to do is bring it right over to your filter compartment, and you're just going to drop it in your filter compartment, let it rest on the basket in there. As long as you have water passing over it, this little guy is going to do its job. It's going to fight bacteria, it's going to fight algae growth, it's going to keep your spa nice and sanitized. Now what you do still want to do is once a week do your once a week shock, depending on the size of your hot tub, anywhere from ½ an ounce up to 1½ ounces, even more if you're doing a swim spa. But this is going to keep you from having to keep chlorine in there all the time. So it's going to make your experience in the spa much more enjoyable. You're not going to have that big chemical waft when you open up your hot tub. You're not going to have to shower after getting out of your hot tub. You're able to go straight from your hot tub into bed and relax. So this little guy is absolutely essential. Like I said, it's good for about 4 months. Leave it inside your filter compartment. After 4 months, typically is when you want to drain and clean your spa anyway. And then after that, get a new one of these guys from Spa Kingdom, bring it back in, throw it in your filter compartment, and you're good to go all over again. So these guys, another thing, if you do end up having to empty out your spa before that 4-month period, and this guy's left in there, you gotta go ahead and take it out, because as soon as you empty out that water, a lot of these minerals are actually floating in your water and keeping everything nice and clean. So if you flush out all your water, you gotta replace this guy as well. So if you have any questions on the mineral system, feel free to give us a call at Spa Kingdom, or better yet, stop in, pick a couple of them up. Love to see you.